Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I want to do a quick review of the new, latest, innovative shoe from Adidas, the Climacool 3D. This puppy came out back in 2024 with people getting little placards of batch 000, which was super sick. But this also came out last month, like May 1st or May 2nd. And one thing about this is they only came in half sizes. Size 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5, etc. There were no like full size runs. Like I'm a size 9, I can only go with an 8.5 or 9.5 US. And as you can see, I went with an 8.5 since I wear the Ultra Boosts in a size 9. I have the Samba OGs, which are also a size 9. The Easy 350s, I used to rock them all the time, size 9. And those used, forgot the material, but here we go. And I just love that sock-like feeling, hugs my foot, and over time it stretches out, super soft, super nice. But this is a 3D material, and some reviewers said it's similar to that type of knitting. And so I decided, okay, maybe I'll try an 8.5 since it is the summer and I was gonna plan to wear this as a summer shoe. You can see in the box, it comes in a very silvery package. But yeah, I was planning to wear this as a summer shoe. I'll show you why. So I was gonna go sockless. So I thought 8.5 would be great for me. Well, unfortunately for me, I can fit an 8.5, but it's not the most pleasant experience. So if I was you, interested and did not win the lottery last month, I believe they are coming out this next month. Yep, June 5th. They're making a return on the Adidas Confirmed app for $140 US. Go up half a size. I think if you're regularly, let's say like a 9.5, get a 9.5. For me, I'm a size 9. I went with an 8.5, which you see in hand right here. They're just a little too snug. With a sock, forget about it. So, shout out to a friend doing some yoga aerobics over here. He snagged me a limited edition pair of the Adidas Kith collab in a size 9.5. And as you can see, I'm wearing it without socks and perfect. And this is the reason why I'm so excited about having these as a summer shoe. The 3D printing, this mold, super flexible top, but it has holes for breathability, and even on the sole, you can kind of see some light, some holes, giving your arch some air. And I have hot feet, you know, I'll admit it, I have hot feet, not stinky, I keep my toes fresh, but I get hot feet. And in summers, having all of these holes, having all the airflow and breathability, I think is sick. I've been wearing, check these out, my Asics slides. Came out a few years ago, the Active Breeze 3D. This is Asics' first 3D printed shoe, maybe like 3 years ago. This is in the blue. They also came in black for $80. Stellar deal. And I've been wearing these as like my house shoe. But now I was like so excited when Adidas made a full shoe. I mean, $140, is it worth an extra $60? I don't know. But that's what the market's like right now. And yeah, just stellar. Love them. Super light, and they're super bouncy, super structured and supportive. It's like, as I showed you, very pliable, very stretchy upper, but the heel, super solid, and so is like the midfoot. Sure, it's like a little bit flexible, but it's also responsive and bouncy. Incredible heavy design. You can also take a look inside the shoe. You'll have like your sticker with your sizing, product code, but also Climacool with the Adidas logo engraved with a QR code, which is super sick. And you'll get the 3 stripes on the outside. You saw on the Kith one, they just colorized the stripes, which I think is a nice touch. And that'll make it look cool if I wear like some socks as well, because then I can wear like some gray socks or some black socks and the stripes will match up. But yeah, man, June 5th is when the next drop is happening. And again, for sizing, just like, let me get his channel right. Because I agree with his assessment of how to get these sized. Shout out to Wear Testers. Wear Testers, great channel. He recommended that you see this little change in the pattern of the 3D structure, the 3D mold. This is kind of where your toe would want to end. And so with the 8.5, my toes went a little bit past that. And sure, like I can wear these, but it's just a little too snug, and you can forget about socks with these when it gets a little bit cooler. But size, half size up is my personal recommendation, and you're gonna love them. Again, I'm normally a 9, but with these, 9.5. If you're even if you're a regular half size person, like you're a 10.5, maybe stay with that 10.5, because then you're gonna be having to go up a full size to an 11.5, and I think that might be just a little too big. But that's enough of rambling on the sizes. Good luck on the confirmed app, and hope you enjoy. I think this is a stellar summer shoe. Like, you just can't beat it. Like the bounce, woo! I'm gonna show you a clip of that, and yeah, Mike out.